In order to avoid homogeneity, many car companies have made bold innovations in many aspects, from product naming to design style, showing a different style. Today we are going to plate two fashionable small cars named after animals, Euler Good Cat and Dolphin. Euler is a brand new energy brand of Great Wall Motors. It develops models of different levels based on the exclusive new energy platform. Euler Good Cat is one of the current main models, and I think it is also the most attractive model of Euler. The appearance of Euler Good Cat uses a lot of arc lines to create a round and retro visual effect, which is very delicate and very attractive. Some people may say that the front face looks like the bionic design of Porsche and Beetle, but the face collision in the automotive industry has long been not a rare occurrence. The BYD Dolphin is BYD's new pure electric model, another strong player in the field of new energy small cars. The roof curve is like a high leaping dolphin back. The two-color body also creates the effect of a suspended roof and a unique door. The handle design has a classic feel of the 90s. Although it does not have the high-level sense of pop-up hidden door handles, the unique shape is more impressive. In addition, the practicality has not been affected. The side-cutting style lines enhance a lot of sporty atmosphere. From the appearance point of view, there are obvious differences between the two cars. The Euler Cat tends to be gentle and quiet, and the BYD Dolphin, more attention to a sense of movement. At the same time, both have a good fashion atmosphere and show a certain feminine color. Fully satisfy the girly heart of users. Turning to the car, Euler's requirements for the interior are no less than that of a flagship model. The center console and door panels are made of a large number of soft suede materials. The visual effects and touch are quite good. The two-color the interior style highlights the young and fashionable atmosphere. The 7-inch plus 10-inch double-link design is practical and not exaggerated. The interior style of BYD Dolphin is bolder and radical than the exterior. The uniquely center console has a symmetrical layout, and the swirling air outlets and the buttons of the center control scroll button are all ingeniously designed, which is very eye-catching and rotatable. The large central control screen is the inheritance of BYD's classic design. The floating liquid crystal instrument is small and practical, and it also minimizes the interference to the driver's line of sight. In terms of interiors, both cars continue to implement the basic principle of appearance first, but the comfort has not fallen, although the front and rear non-independent suspensions are used, but the attention to suspension adjustment will make you ignore the cheap sense of non-independent suspension. In terms of space utilization, the two also have outstanding performance. The Euler Cat's rear support ratio is down, and the BYD Dolphin supports the overall down, which further expands the volume of the trunk and can calmly face it when carrying large luggage. The cruising range is a topic that new energy vehicles can't avoid. Euler Good Cat offers 401 km and 501 km endurance versions, which can cope with daily commuting in the city. The maximum power is 105 kW and the power is abundant. This is different from the soft appearance. The fast charge time of both versions is only 30 minutes, and the slow charge time is 8 hours. The current pre-sale version of BYD Dolphin offers three versions of 301 km, 401 km and 405 km, and there are two power versions of 75 kW and 130 kW, and the fast charging time is also 30 minutes. I believe that subsequent official launches should launch more abundant versions. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.